You need to watch this if you struggle with managing your money. Budgeting is like making a plan for your money. You decide how much to spend and how much to save. This helps you reach your goals, like buying a house or going on vacation. Think of it like this. If you want to bake a cake, you need a recipe. You need to know how much flour, sugar, and eggs to use. Budgeting is the same. When you budget, you know where your money is going. You can see how much you spend on things you need, like rent and food. You can also see how much you spend on things you want, like new clothes or going out to eat. This helps you make smart choices with your money. You can make sure you have enough to pay your bills and still have some left over for fun stuff. Food is important, but it can also be expensive. The good news is that there are lots of ways to save money on groceries. One way is to plan your meals for the week. This helps you buy only what you need and avoid wasting food. You can also save money by buying store-brand items instead of name-brand ones. Another tip is to look for coupons and sales. Many grocery stores have apps or websites where you can find deals. For example, instead of buying pre-cut fruit, buy a whole watermelon and cut it yourself. It's cheaper and you get more. Traveling can be an amazing experience, but it can also be expensive. Don't worry, you can still see the world without spending a fortune. One way to save money on travel is to be flexible with your dates. Traveling during the off-season or shoulder season, the time between the peak season and off-season, is often much cheaper. You can also save money by choosing affordable accommodations. Instead of staying in a fancy hotel, consider staying in a hostel or renting an apartment. For example, instead of going to a fancy restaurant every night, try cooking some of your meals at your hostel or apartment. You'll save money and get to experience local cuisine. Section 4. Fun without breaking the bank. Entertainment on your terms. Entertainment is important, but it doesn't have to cost a lot of money. There are plenty of ways to have fun without spending a lot. One way is to look for free or low-cost activities in your community. Many cities have museums, parks, and other attractions that are free or offer discounted admission on certain days. You can also save money by taking advantage of free entertainment options, like watching movies at home or borrowing books from the library. For example, instead of going to the cinema, have a movie night at home with friends. Pop some popcorn and enjoy a cozy night in. Section 5. Sticking to your guns. Tips for budgeting success. Budgeting takes practice, and it's okay if you make mistakes along the way. The important thing is to keep trying. Here are a few more tips to help you succeed. Track your spending. Use a notebook, an app, or a spreadsheet to track where your money is going. Set realistic goals. Don't try to change your spending habits overnight. Start small and gradually work your way up to bigger goals. Be patient. It takes time to see the benefits of budgeting. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Section 6. The sweet taste of financial freedom. Enjoying the fruits of your labor. Budgeting may seem hard, but it's worth it. When you budget, you take control of your money. You can make your money work for you instead of the other way around. Imagine being able to buy the things you want without stress. Imagine being able to retire comfortably. Budgeting can help you achieve these goals. Remember, budgeting is a journey, not a race. Take it one step at a time and celebrate your successes along the way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on mastering your budget.